Alright, so I've never tried this, but I thought I'd do an unboxing video. That'd be kind of silly, right? I got sugar-free treats from nuts.com. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, that's cheating. Alright, saltwater taffy, sugar-free. That's ridiculous, but gonna be super fun. Oh, it's gonna be all upside down, Brendan. It's gonna be upside down. Alright, super excited about that. I love taffy, and we'll see how sugar-free goes. Naturally sweetened mango. No added sugar. This is like my favorite treat of all time. Upside down again. That's what it looks like. Excited about this. Alright, gummy worms. No, gummy fishes. Gummy fishes, sugar-free. Such an indulgence. Oh boy. Oh, and speaking of indulgences, let's just get that out of the way. Sugar-free tin of indulgent treats. It's the name of it. Oh, this is plastic. Let's see how easy that is to get off. I didn't think about that part. Okay, cool. Let's see what's inside. So much anticipation of the indulgence, and they're all mixed up. It's supposed to be like raisins, almonds, peanuts, and espresso beans, I think. Oh, they're all mixed up. That's so fun. The FedEx driver must have had some Ace Ventura moments or something. Anyways, all right, that was fun. That's all. I'm gonna enjoy my treats now.